I had almost like a passion, definitely a very strong interest in strategy and implementation. For some people, is that social media is all about put content out there, someone will see it hopefully at some point, and they'll read your caption, they'll go to your bio, they'll click on your link, and you've got a lead. And unfortunately, I mean, yeah, that can happen, but that's kind of leaving it to chance, right? It's kind of leaving it to hope. So we're very intentional around using social media to actually generate leads. The content is important because the content is what gives you the credibility and authority, and it gets people to want to follow you and want to come into your community. But you have to actually find them and you have to actually invite them in. And that's a big missed opportunity on social media if we're not using it in that way. Now, the other thing that I should say to that is it's not about just going out to people and being spammy, which I know a lot of people are also afraid of doing. So the other piece to that is what can you hook someone in with, either solving a really big problem for them or providing them a really great opportunity to help increase their status. If you have that, then you can feel really good about the fact that when you actually reach out to someone to get a lead, specifically to get a lead, that you have something that is going to be a no-brainer for them and is going to serve them in the best way. So really, my advice to people is don't look at social media as just like a content energy suck, which it can be sometimes, but create something compelling to go to your audience with and actually start reaching out to them, actually start getting in front of them intentionally in order to generate leads from social media. You can find me at deirdretshien.com. Very complicated name, so let me spell it out for you. DeirdreTshien.com. You can find me on socials, so Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, again, just my name, Deirdre Tshien. Please reach out to me. I'd love to have a chat. And if I can serve you, I would love to.